I think we have to understand that gradually things are moving towards normalcy, gradually things are improving. There is enough currency in the country with RBI. This currency is getting distributed. The bank branches are of course quite a bit in control, and they are giving out money both for exchange and for withdrawal and deposits. I think the exchange queues have already started coming down in the branches, so that's one way of watching that things are gradually coming back to normal, because the exchange queues are coming down. The ATMs are gradually getting calibrated for the new notes. In fact, ICICI Bank was the first bank to recalibrate its ATMs for 2000 and then also for 500 rupee notes, and now we have some ATMs which give out 2500, 100, all of them. Now there's a whole industry-wide initiative under the supervision of RBI where by blocks of ATMs they'll get recalibrated. So I think that will also bring more normalcy to the situation. Right. The banks are taking various other steps. POS machines are getting activated. The business correspondents are getting money. So I think as much effort as to make money reach wider. Yes, I think that's happening, and we must remember that since there is enough currency, I think people should keep calm.
Ma'am, the government has made some changes today and has changed the withdrawal limit. Is that going to have an impact? The change in the withdrawal limit?
Well, I think that's also an indication of the fact that things are coming back to normalcy, because people's exchange needs have been met. And as we saw the queues coming down for exchange, I think that shows that people's needs on exchange have been met.
Find us on Facebook at facebook.com/ETNow, and don't forget to click the like button. You can also follow us on Twitter at ETNowLive. To stay updated with all our programming, hit the subscribe button on our YouTube channel by logging on to youtube.com/user/ETNow.